Before, kasi medyo nabansagan ako as a rocker, di ba? Pero feeling ko ngayon, hindi na ako rocker. Nailam siya. Yun yung dream ko talaga. So, alam ko, I have to put the music aside. I want them to feel that we're really grateful for them. And this is a good opportunity for us to think them. We want to make sure that yung mga request nila ng mga songs na hindi, kasi I'm sure sila yung mga nanonood yung mga alam ng mga songs na hindi alam ng mga masa. This time, gusto namin sila pagbigyan. Hindi lang yung masa, but yung mga talagang fans talaga na they listen to our songs. We brainstorm naman with our producers, with my band. Yung repertoire, medyo alam na namin yung gusto namin gawin kasi yung mga songs, alam na namin kung ano yung gusto nila marinig. Yung mga songs that were featured sa mga movies or TV series, parang gusto namin sila ma-remind doon. Parang sort of like nostalgia. Before, kasi medyo nabansagan ako as a rocker, di ba? Pero feeling ko ngayon, hindi na ako rocker. Yung music ko, nag-grow siya in a way na hindi lang talaga siya yung basic na band setup. I like experimenting with like mga electronic sounds. Keyboards also. I love keyboards now. Even before I got married, I knew if I decide to have my own family, alam ko sila na yung magiging priority ko kasi that's my heart. That has always been my dream. Like to be hands-on and to take care of my kids. Yun yung dream ko talaga. So alam ko I have to put the music aside. Namimiss ko lang siguro yung mga interaction na yung paminsan like you get to play and then there are other bands like you watch them. Yun yung medyo deprived ako dun in that area, but I just enjoy music now. Like I try to write and record and even collaborate kahit malayo ako. I collaborate with other artists. Oo, nakakabis yung tugtog kami sa Sagiho, tapos chikahan ng mga banda-banda doon. Kasi yun yung fun part sa akin like parang you get to watch other bands also and then parang yung parang na you learn and then it's for me it's interesting, no? Parang you share your hobby, share your passion. So that's nice kasi nagkakahawaan kayo Kakahawaan kayo ng mga trip niyo. Hindi ko alam kung magkakaibigan sila. During my time, kakaibigan talaga kami sa music scene. We really know each other and we have real relationships. Authentic yung relationship namin. Na kahit walang gig, nag-hangout kami. Or like as a journalist, no? Started doing like mga volunteer work. My friend, she invited me to perform charity gig. And it just so happens yung mga colleagues niya, they were there to watch the show. And that's how I met her. Nailam siya. Mabilis lang kami. 1 year, we decided to get married. Very hands-on. I would like to say medyo soft ako. It's my husband who's masyado disciplined sa mga kids. I really try my best to be, parang put my foot down if I need to. Dami. Number 1 is patience. And also, I think yung faith ko, yun talaga ako lumalim. Yung faith ko kay God. Then, yung masusubukan talaga. In a good way, That's my hope. I don't force them I don't force my son. Like, he's already 6 years old. But I just noticed, like, he loves songs also. He makes his own songs. Spontaneous, bigla siya kakanta. Napansin pa lang nasa tono siya. He doesn't play any instrument. But I hope I will try to encourage him to learn piano. At least. Because my mom also is a classical pianist. So, siya yung nag-influence na.